Okay guys, so now that we have changed our ownership of the file, the Twitter application, now what we can do, we will go to the front end and we will install the dependency. So before installing the dependency, what I'm going to do, I'm going to my beam setup proxy.js and I'm going to change the target URL. Instead of the localhost, I'm going to use my backend private IP address. So let's do that. Go my here, then go to front end, then go to src. Use ls, there should be a setup proxy. So vim setup proxy.js. In here, see it's the localhost, like in the bare metal. So now I'm going to change it to my private IP address. So let me just copy those, select the backend, then select the private IP before address, and move back term, go to the insert mode, delete the local host, insert it. The same thing for this one also. Insert it. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this whole thing. Okay. So for that, I'm going to the visual mode by pressing the V button. Then I'm going to select all of this, then copy, then come in here. Sorry, not in here. Okay. So now what I can do, I can just paste it in here. Oh, sorry. Paste it. Okay. Now I'm going to change the endpoints. The endpoints are login, and the get history. Another one is get history. Okay. So did this, save and quit. Get history. Okay. Save and quit. Now what I can do, see my front end. Now I can install my dependency, npm install. It should be able to install all the dependencies. Okay, so all my dependency has been installed. After that, what we can do now, let's check out our slide. Okay, dependency install. Now I have to change my env file. After that, okay, so let's change our environment file. For that, if I use ls-la, see now what I can do. See this environment file, like vim.env. Now I'm going to change it. Just the blank one. I don't need to specify any URL in here. So after that, save and quit. Okay, so that's all for our front end configuration. After that, we just need to start it.